Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a small issue with my 4Runner, nothing crazy. The e-brake, it's not engaging. So let me show you guys. So my parking brake goes all the way down. So perfect spec for this is about 7 to 8 clicks. This is more like 12 or 13, so it doesn't get engaged, it doesn't stop the car or anything like that. So first, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it. First thing you want to do, you want to put little wheel blocks in front and back of the car, not just the front and the back, because the only reason I'm doing this is because my driveway has a slope. So there's a brick in the front and there's a block in the back. And then we're going to put the car in neutral. And then we're going to let go of the brakes. And the car is going to roll back just a little bit and it stops, which is now we know the car is in park. Now we're going to jack up the back and take the wheels off. All right, guys, so the wheels are in. Now we're gonna kind of do a little spin test, make sure they're spinning freely, they're not engaged. Gonna do the one finger spin, so it should spin freely. So now we're gonna take the tires off and we're gonna adjust the e-brakes. All right, I have a feeling this thing is not gonna budge. There we go. Okay, so there's two holes here, one on top, one on the bottom. You want to kind of leave it here. The top one, the bottom is where you do the adjustment. Let me show you guys. I'm not sure if you're able to see. There's a little knot at the bottom. In that hole, it's difficult to see, but when you put your screwdriver in, which is going to be this flathead screwdriver, it should fit right in, and you're going to feel some teeth here that you move up and down, and that's how you make the adjustment. So let me see if I can find it, then I'll be back. So Okay, so if you go up, it locks it in place. And once this is kind of locked in fully, you do 2 or 3 back. Okay, so when you push it up, it's gonna lock this right now. It's locked. Then reverse 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. So this now, so after 3, this should be loose. And that's exactly what we want. So now we're gonna do this to the other side. All right, so the other side is done now. Let's, okay, much better. Now it's halfway, it clicks in. And then we're gonna do a little tuck test. This is not moving. We're gonna do another tuck test. This is not moving. Now let me put the wheels on and do the wheel test. All right, guys, moment of truth. The car is in reverse. I have my foot on the brake and we're gonna roll. All right, now e-brake, put off the brake. Oh, I wasn't fully engaged. There we go. No brakes. If I, there you go, fully fixed. There you go. That's all we need. I didn't like the way the brakes were, so I decided to actually fix the brake and adjust the brakes using the cable. And where the cable is actually underneath the center console. So what you have to do is you have to remove the whole center console. The top part just pops out. There's no screws. The bottom part has 6 screws. One is here, the other one's here. There's 2 there, and there's 2 here. And this is where the parking brake adjustment cable is. So these are 2 12 millimeter nuts. One is to keep it tight. The other one is to, tighten it. So as you can see, this is very loose right now. So extremely loose. And when you engage the e-brake, you're gonna see this go back like so. And you see how this one of them went in a little bit further. The other one went in, sorry. Okay. So now you see this is the parking brake harness right here. So you see it's pretty loose because the brake is not engaged. But as soon as I engage the brakes, this one sits a little bit tighter than this one. So we're gonna try to adjust this a little bit further back. We're not gonna kind of pull it enough that's engaged because you can see it's pretty loose here. So I'm gonna take the slack off right here. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the slack off, and that should fix our problem. So let's do it. All right, I have my 2 12 millimeter wrench. So let's see if we could get this. Okay, that did it. So I want to see if I could just twist this with hand. You kind of take this, kind of open this up, and you could tighten this with your hand, like so. Now we're going to do a little test. It's a little bit more. All right, much better. But also we have to see if the e-brakes are not engaged at this point, because this is a lot that I just took in. So I just want to make sure the e-brakes are not rubbing. So I'm going to take the car for a quick drive and make sure that the brakes are not rubbing. Hi guys, so the brake adjustment was perfect. No rubbing, no scrubbing. There's no sound coming. I took it for like a 5 minute drive, and works perfect. It's an easy fix. It just you have to take off the center console, which is a mess, but overall it's about a 15-minute job. It doesn't take that long to do it. A few tweaks here and there. You just want to make sure everything's adjusted. You tighten the bolts and you're set to go, and you put everything back. So let me know what you think. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, leave your comments down below if this video helped you, or if you have better tips. Also leave it in the comments. Peace out.